Hello everyone, this is V and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial making your own YouTube thumbnail. First, you have to download the Canva application. If you don't have it, you can just again go to Play Store and then search for Canva app and then just download it. So once you already have the Canva application, open it, and then here you go to YouTube thumbnail, click on see all. You can choose either you will use a blank or you can have the templates provided. So there are free templates or design. For example, I'm choosing this one. Tap on edit. And then you can edit directly the title. How to make YouTube thumbnail. Adjust the size. Choose the color. And then for the picture, choose from your gallery. And then the font, you can just choose the font. My advice, use the font that is visible, not too much art, so that it's easy to read. Not easy, but it's so that it's convenient to read. And then another advice, Canva application for the YouTube thumbnail, there is a lot of layers, so delete some of the layers so that your design is easy to prepare. If you are already satisfied with your design, click on save. There you go. Your design is saved. That's it. Now you can make your own YouTube thumbnail. Thank you for watching. Bye.